Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create customized button in React Native using Expo. So how we can do that, we just learn. So I create here one more component. I say custom button.jsx and I just remove this, and here I say RAFCE by using function component. I say view here, and I import view from React Native like this. Save this. Then in place of flat list, previous example, I say here custom button like this way, and I remove this from here, and I remove this also, and here I try to create custom button. So this is done. This we have. Now I want to create a custom button. So how we can do the normal button? If you want to create, first of all, you see button. This is a custom button, normal button in React Native, and I say title here, and in this title I press, suppose press me, and like this way I save this. So we have a button, normal button, and I can design the setting of this also. So what I do, I say I create here style sheet also. So I say styles equal to style sheet React Native dot create, like this way, then create object, and here I say button, and I say you can say margin from the left side, I say 20. Save this. Here I need to pass, you see directly I can't pass here style because button does not support a style. So here I need to pass a style dot buttons, you see, like this way, but it does not support this button. I say here color, I can change color also, and I say here that color should be red. You see we have a red color, and but I can't you can say increase the size of this button because of the style sheet, and I try to give like width. I say width of this is 100 pixel, you see, so size is increasing little bit of this, and I say height of this I say 100 pixel, you see it is not, we can't change height of this button. That means we cannot customize this button because this styles property is not available in this button. So how we can create on button that is customized, that I'm going to show you. For that, what I can do here, suppose I create one more component, and for that I say my button dot jsx like this, and in this button I say RAFCE my button, and in this button what I do, I say view, and I import this, and here I say view like that way, and this is style sheet I just cut from here, and I will put this style sheet, or I can say I copy from here and I paste here also like that way. Now here I use touch, in place of this I use touchable opacity like this, and under this touchable opacity I pass text, and in this text I will pass here first of all I say props, and here I say props dot name. So the name of, I can say title also, title I will take here the title of the button. So this custom button my button, I will use here. So in place of this button, or as well as of this button, I will use my button also, like this way, and I pass title here, and I say press me, like this. Same I am passing here, and then I close it, you see, and you see it's saying style sheet not found. So I just import this. First of all, I say style sheet, save this, and it rendering once again. We have text property, so I say text also, save this, and you see this coming, button is coming, and I design this button as per the button my requirement. So how it will look like a button. So I say title is here, then I say this button we have width property and height property, otherwise we will give the default. So how I just set this, so I say like that. I say first of all the background color, I say background color, I say right now red. I can customize this after that. So background color is red, and I need to apply this here. So I say style equal to styles dot button, save this. You see we have this one, but I remove this width and height right now. I will do it later on, no need of this. Then I say in place of this margin, I say padding, and I say 10% of this padding. You see we have this. Then I took margin also. I say margin from all the side is 2 pixel, small margin I need, this way. Then I say border radius, so I say that is 10%. You see more customize, I can do more customization to this, like this way. And I can say the color or should be white, like this way. And I say font size to, I say that size is 20 pixel, and I say font weight to bold, like this way. Save this. You see we have like this way. And width, I need to provide the width also. It is coming like this way. So I say the width of this is 100 pixel, save this. More width I can do 200 pixel, so I can say 120 pixel, save this, like this way. And text, I say alignment to the center, I say text alignment to the center, and this way I save this. You see to the center we have, and you see it look like a button. And I can give here on press, this is the on press event, and here I can say if I want to pass some property from here, so I create one function here. I say handle press, for example, and that I say const handle press, and I just use arrow function, and I say alert dot, I say alert of React Native, then I say dot alert, and here I just pass title, I say information, and then I pass the text. This is custom button, save this. And you see this information, you see this information I want to pass here. So I say on press, and here I pass this function, that is handle press, like this. And here I just call this, and I say or press, I say props dot on press, this I call here, save this. So you see when I click here, so we have alert information. So this information I am sending from here, and I am giving same event on press. I can give color also, so I say color property, and this color property I say here, suppose I pass color and I say blue color. So I save this, and this color I will take here also, and this color I pass here, and I say here this property, this style sheet I need to create then inside the function, because it is coming with the property. So I just cut it and I paste it here on top of this. Now I say here the color is props dot color, like this, save this. And you see this is text color, and we need background color also. So background color, I will change the background color only, not the text color. So I say props dot color, and here I just keep the white color. I can change the text color also, but I am just showing you how you can design your custom button with the help of this. So you see that I pass the color also from here. This color I pass, handle I pass, title I pass, and I can pass size, width and height also if I want. I can say width, I say width equal to, suppose I say 100, and I say height is equal to 100, like this. I save this. So this information I want to update here. So I say here width and height. So we have 120 of width. So I say height, and I say here that I say props dot width greater than 0. Then I say props dot width, otherwise I say 100 by default. Same I copy here also, and here I say height. If the height of this is this, so I say props dot height, and that height I can give to 40. Save this. You see it increasing the height also, and if it is greater than 0, then I should give this width, I say 20. So I do not pass, suppose I don't pass this height, then save this. You see automatically it convert to, I need to say 40, then I need to say 60 by default, and this width should be 130. So 100 I am passing. So I say if I do not pass anything, save this. Now I need to adjust to 120, and this I adjust to 40, not 40, I say 50, not 50, I say 60, 60 is more, I say 55. You see this way. Now if I give some custom width and height, so it can work. I say width, the width of this I say 200, save this, and you see automatically we just increase the width. If I want to increase the height also, so I say here 100, save this. So you see automatically this is also coming, but text is not coming in the center. So that property we have to change. I say text alignment vertically to center. Save this. You see it coming here right now. Vertical alignment is also. So like this way, if I give some width and height from here, I can provide 150 and I say 150 and I say here 70. Save this. So as per my requirement, you see I can pass this. I can change color also. You see I click here, we have event also. So like this way I design my custom button. You see it is working perfectly, and whenever I required I can use this my button in place of button, and this my button will behave just similar to button, but it is customized, more optimized as compared to this. And I can pass title also, I can pass event also, I can pass color and width also. If you have a more requirement, you can put your requirement here also, and as per the requirement you can customize your button. So I try to explain you how you can create your custom button in React Native using Expo. If you learn something from this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.